Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a tour of the rainforest on board the Disney Dream. Alright, so we are enjoying the rainforest here on the Disney Dream, and we paid $79 each. There's no discount for a couple, and this was on their 3-day cruise, and it is absolutely amazing in here. These are beautiful. These are actually for 2 people, and there's 2 of them. You can lay down and it has the jets. You get a nice massage. They have the beds inside with the nice, that are warmed, and then they have those experience showers and the saunas. It's perfect. You're gonna love this space. Just came out of the hammam room. There's also one that's even steamier right here, and then there is just the sauna right here. And then I think I'm gonna get in one of these showers now because I need to cool my body temperature down.